Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Toyota Sequoia. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include: Convenience Package, Preferred Accessory Package, Premium Package, Sport Appearance Package, Automatic Climate Control, MP3 Player, Sirius Satellite Radio, Anti-Lock Brakes, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Power Sunroof, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, Traction Control, Bluetooth, and Power Windows.